What's interesting about silence, and I think especially in these moments of rapid cultural change that they were experiencing World War II at that time, and then where we're at this particular moment, noise and distraction alienates us from God, and it alienates us from ourselves. Kind of all of our different social problems, whether it's alienation and loneliness to distraction, and kind of this hamster wheel of rushing, and it's all these things that are just kind of giving a sort of malaise.